Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create custom stamp in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. First open your PDF file, this is my PDF file, and I will custom stamp apply here. Click this tools option. Here you will find this stamp option. Click here and click this custom stamp and click create and browse your stamp. This is my stamp. Okay. Now click OK. Select category. I will add this stamp sign here option. Okay, now click OK and click this stamp and sign here. This is my stamp. Okay, now I'll apply this stamp here. This is, and also I'll apply this stamp here. This is, yeah, and finally click this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.